Hit!
Yeah, we just lit an orange up there.
You've been shot at, you've been shot at!
I am playing a Saturday game at Ground Zero. Our mission, rescue 2 pilots.
Live.
One down.
Nice, good kill, good kill. Good round, you gotta get him. I can't see him.
It's your 12 o'clock, 20 metres. Somebody's down there.
After a successful first engagement, it's time to move up and locate more enemies.
One guy on left side there.
Moving up, right?
He's not seeing us. 25 meters. Sniper.
Sniper.
Yep.
Behind the bush.
Yep.
Heard that.
Hit.
Nice. Good kill.
We heard more enemies, so we must move forwards.
Movement in the bush. He left, he went behind the bush.
They were suppressing us, so I thought I'm gonna go flank them.
Hit!
As we are listening for the enemies, I notice friendlies carrying a stretcher.
Stāvējies priekšā. Viņi strečeri nāc, Jāni, strečeri ejam. Stretchers here.
Guys, I can guarantee you they will have Bravo in our base.
Pretinieki kreisajā pusē. No mugura, mugura!
Push side, right side, push side, right side!
I took my position trying to protect my teammates from anyone coming from the top of the hill, but one of my teammates shot the guy down. At this point we still don't know that the guy has been eliminated, so we still secure the perimeter, but then decide to move on.
Where's the stretcher?
You ready?
Yep.
Eyes forward, eyes forward. Ready? Let's go, let's go.
Go, go.
Move it, move it. That's it, now, well done. Keep moving. Keep down, good hand. Nicely done. Do you want it inside or outside?
Pilot's in the base. Stretch needs to go back.
Needs to go back.
Yeah, it needs to be the other. Other pilot.
Ejam apakaļ! Nākamajam līčim, 1-0. Let's go.
Positive, mate.
Time to go back, find the second casualty, put him on the stretcher and bring him back. As we are moving through the forest, you have to be careful.
Behind, behind, behind. Drop. Yeah, on the way.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Yeah, right. Hands on, let's go. Hands on, let's go. Duck in. Right. Lay it. Turn around.
Charlie guys!
Fuck, man.
We are taking the second body from Firebear's Charlie. Come here, guys.
That way!
We are about to move the body, the casualty, back to the base from Firebase Charlie.
To Firebase Charlie!
It's not buttercup too.
We successfully delivered the pilot back to our base. Now you have to protect 2 casualties.
Contact on right. Mag. Contact up ahead. Slightly more to the right.
Yeah.
He was there, so maybe behind those bushes now.
Yeah, okay. I'll just keep an eye out this side.
Alright, man.
Go on to the right.
One up ahead. Fucking hell.
Whereabouts, bro?
30 meters approximately up ahead.
Spiky bush.
Yeah.
He's gone back and right.
2 on the right side. 2 coming from 2 o'clock.
Yeah, eyes on.
Oni nas atakują czas. Sprawa z bazy. Firebase Charlie.
12 o'clock, pushing left and right,
Yep.
running, 3 of them.
Mag. Movement around 12 o'clock. Yep, I see. Huh.
Running left.
Mag.
North side.
We decided to be a bit risky and try to flank the attacking team. And this is how we went.
You lay down. Nice.
I thought while my team is pushing the right side, I'm gonna go a little bit to the left side.
Left side.
I could hear a lot of enemies behind these bushes, so I thought I would just wait and try to be a little bit sneaky and flank them on my own. At first I froze, I thought they were shooting at me, but they did not notice me, but I could see them behind the bush and moving on the left side.
Hit.